Hi students, I'm not well today because I have cough and cold. It's a type of diseases. But now I want to drink cool drink. Because taste of sugar I like it. But I'm a diabetic patient also. So what I will do, children? I have fever and I'm a diabetic patient also. So I have two type of diseases in my body. Right. So what is diseases, children? So good morning all. Today I am going to teach you about diseases. In our last class we discussed about food and types of food and different types of nutrition also. Lack of these foods and lack of vitamin minerals in our body, it will cause diseases for our body. Okay, so in this class I am going to teach you about two different types of diseases, that is non-communicable and communicable diseases. Okay, before that you should understand what is diseases. Okay, what is diseases, children? Diseases is an abnormal condition of our body. Okay, and in that time our body cannot do work properly. That's why I'm saying I'm not ready to take the class today because I have diseases. Okay, so it is the abnormal condition of body and our body will not work properly. That process we call diseases. Okay, and what are the main cause of diseases, children? Main cause of diseases are microbes, maybe germs, fungi, bacteria, and pollution. Pollution also one factor of diseases. Then unhygienic food. Okay, so these all the factors will cause diseases to our body. So students, here I am going to write my two types of diseases. Okay, I will write here. That is I already told I have cold and cough, right? And I am a diabetic patient even. Okay, so now I have two types of diseases in my body. Okay, students, my mother also has cold and I get the cold and cough from my mother. Okay, so this cold and cough, this type of diseases is spreading from one sick person to healthy person. Okay, so this type of diseases is spreading, right? It's spreading from one sick person to healthy person. But my mother is not a diabetic patient, but I have diabetic. So this diseases is not spread. It don't spread from one person to another person. Okay. And children, this cold also caused due to by some virus or some microorganism like bacteria, virus, fungi. So this is caused by germs, microorganisms. Okay. So children, now you can understand the difference of two types of diseases in my body. One is spreading from one person to another. But another diseases, it's not spreading from one person to another. Okay, and it is caused by some microorganism. Or children, we can say like that, this is communicable diseases. What is communicable, children? Communicable means diseases that is spread from one person to another. Okay, that is communicable diseases. This one is just opposite to the communicable diseases. That is non-communicable diseases. What is non-communicable, children? That is, it don't spread from one person to another. That is non-communicable diseases. Clear? So how these communicable diseases will come to our body, children? That is, it is caused by some microorganisms. Clear? But what about non-communicable diseases, children? Mainly, non-communicable diseases will come deficiency of some nutrients in our body like marasmus, kwashiorkor, night blindness. These all are the deficiency diseases. These all are non-communicable diseases also, right? And it is not spread from one person to another. Blindness, that is not spreading. And even kwashiorkor, lack of some nutrients in our body. That all about nutrients we learned in our last chapter, is it? Okay. Picture, children. There are also certain non-communicable diseases that is caused due to deficiency of certain vitamins or mineral in the daily diet. Okay, and that's why we have to include these types of food in our daily diet. So can I ask one question, children? In this situation, this question is very important when I am asking. Is corona is communicable or non-communicable diseases? Say the answer in next DCS. Okay. Think and say the answer. Okay, children. So, children, in our next class, we will learn about how these communicable diseases will spread. What are the different modes of transmission of communicable diseases? About that, we can learn in our next class. So, all should have to read the chapter and understand the difference between the communicable and non-communicable diseases. Okay, so we can meet in our next class. Thank you.